Hello, good afternoon. My name is Angeles Perez and he is Ricardo Hernandez.
We will talk about the life of Louis Pasteur.
Since Louis Pasteur came out with the food preparing process known as pasteurization, he also developed a vaccination for anthrax and rabies. French chemist and microbiologist Louis Pasteur was born on December 27, 1822 in Dole, located in the Jura region of France. He grew in the town of Arbois and his father, Jean-Joseph Pasteur, was a tanner and Sergeant Major decorated with the Legion of Honor during Napoleonic Wars. And a brave student, Pasteur was skilled at drawing and painting. He earned his Bachelor of Arts degree in 1840, Bachelor of Science degree in 1842, and doctorate in 1847 at the École Normale in Paris. Pasteur then spent several years researching and teaching on the young lines. In 1848, he became a professor of chemistry at the University of Strasbourg, where he met Marie Laurent, the daughter of the university's rector. They get on the May 29, 1849, and had 5 children, taught only to survive childhood. Pasteur had been partially paralyzed since 1868 due to a severe brain stroke, but he was able to continue his research. He celebrated his 70th birthday at the Sorbonne, which was attended by several prominent scientists, including British surgeon Joseph Lister. At that time, his paralysis worsened and he died on September 28, 1895. Pasteur remains were transferred to New Byzantine Crypt at the Pasteur Institute in 1896.
In 1854, Pasteur was appointed professor of chemistry and dean of the science faculty at the University of Lyon. Here he worked on finding solutions to the problems with the manufacture of alcoholic drinks, working with their green germ theory, which Pasteur did not invented, which furthered developed drug experiments and evaluated convinced most Europe of his truth. He demonstrated that organizations such as bacteria were responsible for sweetening wine, beer, and even milk. He then invented a processes where bacteria could be removed, be morning, and the big cooling liquid. He completed the first test on April 20, 1862. Today the process is named a pasteurization. In 1865, Pasteur helped save the silk industry. He proved that microbes were attacking healthy silky eggs, causing the disease, and that the disease would be eliminated if the microbes were eliminated. Pasteur's first vaccine discovery was in 1879 with a disease called chicken cholera. After accidentally exposing chickens to the attenuated form of a culture, he demonstrated that they become resistant to the actual virus. Pasteur went on to extend his brain theory to the blood causes and vaccines for diseases such as anthrax, cholera, TB, and smallpox. In 1873, Pasteur was elected as an associate member of the Académie de Médecine. In 1882, the year of apprentice into the Academy French, he decided to focus his efforts on the problem of rabies. On June 6, 1885, Pasteur vaccinated Joseph Maser, a 9 years old boy who had been bitten by a rabid dog. The success of Pasteur vaccine brought him immediate fame. This began an international fundraising campaign to build the Pasteur Institute in Paris, which was inaugurated on November 14, 1888.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.